So this is how you make payment to the IRS for either a payment plan or a balance due on a notice. So head on over to irs.gov. You do not need to log in. You don't need to have login credentials. So once you're on there, you're going to see towards the very top next to file, pay. Go ahead and click pay. So when you pay, go ahead and check pay from your bank account. And it's going to say make a payment. And the reason you want to make the payment, you could either check payment plan, installment agreement, balance due. Either one of those is fine. If it's for one particular year, just check balance due. If it's for a payment plan, or if it's for a series of years that you do owe, then choose payment plan. Or if it's for a series of years, choose the oldest year. Like if you owe for 2018, 19, 20, 21, choose 2018 as a year that this payment goes to. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and choose balance due. Apply payment to, right here it says for income tax, the health care form, retirement plans, tax favored accounts. For the most part, it's income tax 1040. And last year, here's where you choose the payment, what year you're going to. If you notice right now, the latest year was 2023, and it goes as far back as 2005. So let's pretend there's a balance due for 2020. So now that you've chosen this, check out this next screen when you click continue. It's just to confirm all your options. Want to double check it is the correct year you're going to make a payment on. So this tax verification year is the curveball the IRS wants to throw at you, because you could choose a different year to verify your identity. So you choose from the 6 most recent years. And what this is however you filed in this particular year that you choose to verify, those are the answers that must match up for that year. Let me throw an example. Let's say 2023, you just filed it, is not in the system, the IRS can't verify you. But let's say you filed married filing joint in 2023, but last year you're still single, you're a single parent, so you filed head of household in 2022. 2022, that means all the information that you choose, these answers must match your 2022 records, including filing status. If not, it's going to go ahead and reject your answers. So right here, that's where you type in your name, last name. You're going to confirm your last name, your social security number. You're going to confirm it twice. Your date of birth. You're going to go ahead and fill this out over here. Including the address, city, state, zip. You're going to go ahead and click accept, continue. And of course, I put in a bunch of fake information, so nothing will match up. And basically, in the next page afterwards, you are going to have to plug in your routing number, and account number, and the amount of payment that you like to make to that particular tax year. Then you submit. You could enter your email, where you would get an email confirmation of the payment made, but nevertheless, take a screenshot or save it as PDF, and that's how you make a payment. If you're self-employed and you're wondering how ES payments work, the quarterly payments, check out my next video where I'll give you a walkthrough of how estimated payments work.